putting it all together, how to publish your ebook on Kindle. Your module objectives are to understand the steps to publish on Kindle, and a walkthrough of the process for publishing on Kindle. Before getting started, you need to have your ebook prepared. Amazon sets the standards for formatting, so be sure to edit accordingly. The Kindle digital platform, also known as DTP, requires a simple HTML code without any CSS-style sheets. Other formats such as DOC and PDF are acceptable, but HTML conversion is preferred. You can do this by saving your document on MS Word to HTML. Web page filtered. Also, page numbers, footers, and headers must be removed since Kindle reflows everything according to reading settings and font size. The table of contents should also have links to each section it refers to. Finally, 2 cover images, one in full color and one in grayscale, should be included in your preparation. The upcoming slides will walk you through step by step how to set up and publish your ebook on Kindle. Step 1. Log in or sign up. Go to this link in your web browser. Log into your account or sign up if you don't already have an account. Step 2. Add an item. Click Add New Item on the following page. Expandable sections which need to be filled in appear under the heading that says My Shelf. Step 3. Enter your product details. Enter your product details, which include the title, description, note the limit of 4,000 characters, and keywords among others. Enter an ISBN if you have one, otherwise Amazon will assign one for tracking reference. Leave the publisher field blank if you don't have one. This is where you upload your cover image as well. Note the option to enable or disable digital rights management. When you're done, click on Save Entries. Step 4. Confirm content rights. Confirm your content rights. Select radio buttons for all the territories where you have sale or distribution rights. Check the box to confirm that you have the right to upload content. Step 5. Upload and preview. Browse and find your file and upload your content accordingly. Be sure that the file type is accepted by the Kindle store. Step 6. Enter price. Enter the retail price. It's up to you how much you want to sell your ebook over the Amazon Kindle store for. The minimum amount is set at 99 cents and the maximum is $200. Note that Amazon keeps the lion's share of profits. Authors can retain as much as 70% of the price, so be sure to consider this when pricing. Step 7. Publish your ebook. When the dust settles, your ebook has already been uploaded to the Kindle bookstore. The process will take around 24 hours to complete. Additional tips. If you made a mistake on your ebook and only realize this after uploading, be sure to upload an edited version. It will overwrite the original without a hitch. Cover images should be in JPG or TIF format and around 400 by 600 pixels on the longest side. Keywords affect how people will find your ebook. As such, you want to put a lot of thought into which ones you'll be using. Getting this right maximizes your exposure and puts you on top of the rankings. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, which will be our last in the series.